जय गौरा भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरा भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा हरे हरे Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Prabhu Sunath Prabhu is there.
Hare Krishna.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate
Bhagavate
Vasudevaya.
Devaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vasudevaya.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmritam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Shrimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namane. Namaste Saraswate Devi Gaudavani Pracharine Desha Shunipadi Panchayati Krishnadari Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Advaita Gadadhara Shivasi Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare,
Krishna Hare
Hare Rama
Hare Rama Hare
Rama
Rama
Hare.
Rama Hare Hare.
The Sushmita Mataji is ready for shloka. Who will do the translation? We need one volunteer for translation.
Can I do?
Vandana Mataji?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. Mataji, Rangini Mataji, who all are there from your place?
Let me see. Let me just see.
Vandana?
Today, Surnath Prabhu, Shava Mataji.
Yes. Okay.
That's all, Prabhu.
Okay. And your husband is there?
Yes, Prabhu.
And okay. And Vandana, she is also from your place?
Who, Prabhu?
Vandana, go.
I am from Muzaffarnagar, Prabhuji, from UP.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, I take some time. Get confused.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, so you will read the translation,
Yes.
and then Sushmita will read this thing, and purport by Surnath Prabhu. Okay. Other people I can introduce. Vikas is a student from Nitte. Sushma Mataji is also
Hare Krishna.
joining us. Hare Krishna. She is from Belthangadi. Hare Krishna Mataji. Pallavi is our doctor from Delhi. Okay, and then we have Radha Mataji from America. Okay, she is also joining us, and then we have our Murti Mataji. Then we have Manjunath, is also now very regular. All of them are very regular.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Okay, and our Gaurav is there. Okay.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Chalo.
Krishna sir.
So, who is putting all this?
Hare Krishna.
Annotate. I have to also learn all the tricks. Chalo. We start where there is.
Text 10.
Yes. Text 9.
Text
Take
10.
care. Everybody take care of the background sound. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Text 10 we start today.
Yes.
Yes. Let's start.
Which
980.
chapter, Prabhu? Which chapter?
This is Adi
Third.
Leela. We are in the third chapter.
Third
Third
chapter.
chapter.
Third chapter.
Thank you.
जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर गौर भक्तवृंद। অষ্টবিংশ চতুর্যুগে দাপরের শেষে ব্রজের সহিতে হয় কৃষ্ণের প্রকাশে।
At the end of the Dwapar Yuga of the 28th Divya Yuga, Lord Sri Krishna appears on earth with the full paraphernalia of his eternal Braj-dham.
Purport. Mark the term of Vaishvasvasmanu, during which Lord Chaitanya appears. First, Lord Krishna appears at the close of the Dwapar Yuga of the 28th Divya Yuga, and then Lord Chaitanya appears in the Kali Yuga of the same Divya Yuga. Lord Krishna and Lord Chaitanya appear once in each day of Brahma, or once in 14 Manvantaras, each of 71 Divya Yugas in duration. From the beginning of Brahma's day of 4.32 trillion, no?
4.3,
yeah,
32 billion.
Million years. 6 Manus appear and disappear before Lord Krishna appears. Thus, so 1.9 billion, 1.9 billion years of the day of Brahma elapsed before the appearance of Lord Krishna. This is an astronomical calculation according to solar years.
Okay, now this is something interesting that somebody knows, is that this time the Dwapar and Treta Yuga have been swapped. How many people know this? Anybody knows this? Actually, the sequence is Satyuga, then
Dwapar Yuga.
then Dwapar Yuga, then Treta Yuga, then Kali Yuga. No. Okay. Actually, that is the sequence. This time the sequence have been disturbed. Anybody knows this?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Oh, you all know this.
Mahaprabhu.
Huh?
For the appearance of Mahaprabhu.
Why did Lord Krishna do it?
Because Mahaprabhu had to appear in the next Yuga.
Yeah, so that the gap is very less, only 500 years, 4,500 years gap. Otherwise, the gap will be millions of years. Hai na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Everybody knows this.
No,
So now-
Prabhuji, I do not know about it. Kindly explain.
See what happens. Generally, the sequence of the yugas is Satyuga,
Yeah.
then Dwapar Yuga, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Treta, then Kali.
3.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, Satyuga, and then Dwapar Yuga, then Treta Yuga,
I
and
think
Kali Yuga.
it is after, oh God, I have learned that after Satyuga it's Treta.
No. This time it is like that. But generally, the sequence is Satyuga, Dwapar Yuga, Treta Yuga, Kali Yuga. But when Krishna is appearing, the swapping is done.
Okay.
Why? So that the Lord Chaitanya, who comes in Kali Yuga to give mercy to the fallen souls in Kali Yuga, he will be coming very near to Krishna. Okay?
Yes.
That's and
Okay.
they have already heard. Rangini Mataji already knows it. Okay. So anyway, now the Brahma's day, you see, this is such a huge time. Okay? For Brahma, it is not like that. For us, it is billions of years. For Brahma, it doesn't feel like that. It doesn't feel, oh, boring, the day is not passing. For him, it's just like we insects' life, Prabhupada compares, is 100 years finished in the night time. Correct? And for us, it is very, it's like a sleep. We get up in the morning, insect has born and died. But between what has happened, he had his wife, he had his children, he had become old, he had diseases, and he died. For us, it's just one sleep. Okay, isn't it so? Correct?
Yes.
A Brahma is looking at the watch, time is not passing, time is not. Okay. Time is relative. Chalo, continue.
দাস্য সখ্য বাৎসল্য শৃঙ্গার চারি রস চারি ভাবেরও ভক্ত যত কৃষ্ণ তারও ভাস।
Servitude, dasya, friendship, sakya, parental affection, vatsalya, and conjugal love, shringara, are 4 transcendental mellows or rasas. By the devotees who cherish these 4 mellows, Lord Krishna is subdued.
Purport. Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, and Sringara are the transcendental modes of loving service to the Lord. Santrasa, or the neutral state, is not mentioned in this verse because although in Santrasa one considers the absolute truth, the sublime great, one does not go beyond that conception. Santrasa is a very grand idea for materialistic philosophers, but such idealistic appreciation
is only
just one.
Prabhu connection.
But such idealistic appreciation is only the beginning. It is the lowest among the relationships in the spiritual world. Santrasa is not given much importance because as soon as there is a slight understanding between the knower and the known, active loving transcendental reciprocations and exchanges begin. Dasrasa is the basic relationship between Krishna and his devotees. Therefore, this verse considers Dasya the first stage of transcendental devotional service.
okay. This everybody appreciates. Shanta is quite neutral idea. God is great. You see, they put on all the buses in Mangalore. God is great. God is great. They put it. Some religion they do this point, but Prabhupada is saying this is very, very beginning understanding. Generator, operator, and destroyer. It's very, very basic understanding of God, which may be very grand idea, but spiritually is only the beginning. We appreciate that, but it's only the beginning. The lowest among all the relations in the spiritual world. There is no active devotion service. So therefore, started with the Dasya, Sakya, Vasa, and Shringara. Okay, these are all active devotion service. Moment there is an appreciation, and there is active loving. See, the word here is active. And all the four, this is the active loving transcendental services there, but which is not there in Shanta. Any comments on this? Somebody had a question. Yes, Vikas, you had a question.
No, sir.
This Prahlad Maharaj, he is considered to be in the Santarasa?
No. He's a Smarana, no? Always remembering the Lord. He is in reverse Vasalya in this world. Vasalya, no? Krishna was taking care of him like a child. As for the Leela, eternal relationship, I have to find out. But in this Leela, when he appeared, Krishna was taking care of him as a child. Vasalya means taking care of Krishna as a child, correct? But in Krishna Lila, we also have Krishna taking care of his children. Correct? Okay?
So this is,
if you study the Leela of Prahlad Maharaj, as exhibited in the Leela, he was, it said he was totally helpless. He didn't know how his eating, sleeping was going on, correct? You see in the 7th canto, he was not even knowing that. So, as far the Leela is concerned, he was taking care of Krishna. But anybody has something to add? Shisha? Anybody has read something? As far as
Santarasa, actually, all this cows, Rabi cows, this one, all this, this one, trees, they're all serving peacocks, birds, everything. They're serving. They're actually serving Krishna in Santarasa in Goloka.
Correct.
Actually, there is some amount of Dasya also there, but mainly that rasa is Shanta. Actually,
yes. Prahlad, I have not heard in the Shantarasa. Navyogendra, I have heard in the Shantarasa. Okay. And we heard about Shukamuni in the Shantarasa because Shukamuni, the parrot or Radharani, is a special category.
Shukamuni, yeah.
Yeah, but he's a special category. He speaks the whole Bhagavatam, even though not Shantarasa, because the parrot or Radharani, not ordinary exception. Correct?
Leaving aside the Shanta Rasa, aren't all the rasas have element of Dasya in it?
No, that is always there because Chaitanya, let the Chaitanya Charita teach us. Even sometimes Nanda Maharaj is thinking of touching Krishna's lotus feet. That will come. All those things will come. Okay? See, fundamentally they're all servants of Krishna. But Yogamaya does some dance and makes them feel like father, mother. That's all you. Correct. See, fundamentally everybody goes to serve Krishna only. Serve his lotus feet. But then Yogamaya plays a dance and makes somebody the father, somebody the mother, and Krishna takes their shelter. Correct? Originally, they're all devotees of Krishna. They're all servants of Krishna. Ekala Ishvara Krishna, Arasava Bhritya. Yes, Rangini Mataji,
Yes, Prabhuji.
is it fine?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, we continue, I think.
Yeah, continue.
Yes.
Sir, that question.
Oh, one thing happened. Bhanu Maharaj replied to our question. You remember I had a question of the Balaramji?
Yeah, Vaibhava Prakasha.
Yeah, he replied, I will, he replies within 1 hour. You know, he's famous for that. He's immediate. His reply does not wait. He is our, GBC. And if he writes, mostly when I submit to him, Prabhuji, we had such a nice Harinam, it was such a good, we wish you were there, like that we write something to him. His reply will be 1 word. Okay, good, wonderful. But this time he replied 4 lines, so we are very fortunate. Okay. You all can see the reply now?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. This statement agrees with the Laghu Bhagavatamrita of Rupa Goswami. He has translated this book into English from Sanskrit. So the statement that Balaram is in Vaibhava Vilasa. Okay? No explanation is given, but I suppose it is so because we do not have many discussion of his pastimes or powers. And then he's saying something very interesting. When Krishna is present, he hides his powers. Okay. Okay. Now, more than this, we leave it. We go to our study. What is as soon as Prabhu? Hana? If in ISKCON, I have seen in Mayapur when he takes class, oh my God, it's mind-boggling it is. And he takes that. Okay, you could see the answer, no? Here it is. Okay. Yeah. When he takes class in Mayapur, we got Mayapur Festival. All the sannyasis put the ear in the front and the ear. He doesn't tell stories. He doesn't tell jokes. He's the Tattva man because he's translating all the books. No? Oh boy, and he starts analyzing, and then I see everybody hearing word by word. His class is there, means everybody will be there. And all are hearing him, very attentively. He has so many things to say. And he took sannyasa from Guru Maharaj, and he's very respectful to him. We have a meeting when both of them are always there. We don't do a meeting without them. Because we have 50 temples, they will have something, territorial discussions. Sometimes devotees are gone from one place to another place. We'll have so many discussions. Because Guru Maharaj is there, all will be silent. Guru Maharaj, it is not correct. You should not have done that. It's very peaceful. If they're not there, then, sometimes it may be a little tough. So you always see that both of them are there, then we have meeting. And both of them are the GBC for South India. Okay, this is fine. This is how much we can understand. Don't try to understand too much. Try to love Krishna as much it is told. You're able to understand. So this is appreciable. Shantarasa is among this thing. Prabhuji has put a question that is Prahlad Maharaj on Shantarasa? I do not know. As far as I know, he is on Vasalya, reverse Vasalya, at least in the Leela. But other detail of his Nitya relationship, somebody has to research.
That about the appearance of Lord in every yuga?
Huh?
Appearance of Lord in every yuga? Like
Yeah.
the next yuga, if Mahaprabhu does not appear, then...
No, only he comes when Lord Krishna comes, otherwise he doesn't come.
In the Krishna
Kalki comes. Kalki comes. Buddha comes, and then at the end Kalki comes. Huh?
But Goloka Krishna will not come, Prabhu. But Avatara Krishna is not coming. Avatara Krishna is coming.
No, Dwapar Yuga.
Even Dwapara Yuga, that in only one day of Brahma, that Krishna, Swam Bhagavan Krishna is coming. One day of Brahma. But other Yugas, Krishna will come. But Vasudeva Krishna is coming. And also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also coming after 500 years. But it is not Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it is Gaura Narayana is coming. After 4,500 years.
Oh, okay.
So nice.
So nice this is.
Okay. Gaura Narayana will come, but not as a devotee.
Yeah, As a devotee only he comes, but Gaur Narayana, but not as, he will not talk about this Madhurya. This Madhurya Rasa he will not teach.
Huh?
Talk
He
about
will
what?
not teach about the Madhurya Rasa.
We can't hear you, Shisha.
He will not teach Madhurya Rasa, Prabhu. He will teach about the Aishwarya Leela actually.
Okay. He will not teach. The confidential aspect will not be revealed. Anna?
Yeah.
And neither that will be revealed by the Vasudeva Krishna. He will not go to play in Vrindavan. Anna?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah,
From
yes,
Mathura to Dwaraka, that's it.
only
Huh?
Dwarka.
No Vrindavan. Huh?
Only that Yugavatar.
That's-
Yugavatar only there.
So
Huh?
in that sense, sir, are we very fortunate?
Huh?
In that sense, are we very fortunate?
Yeah.
Definitely you're fortunate.
Definitely, yeah. We are getting so much of.
You must have done some sukriti to be born in this time,
Yeah.
and not only to meet Lord Chaitanya's movement. You must have been very, very fortunate. So therefore, when you go to meet somebody, you're making him so much fortunate.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, Srishta Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Okay. So Rangini Mataji, we got some more information today. Anna?
Very nice, sir.
I did not know this. Adhariga Vasudeva Krishna will come, Gaur Narayana will come, will not talk about rather any other things he will not talk about. Anna? Devotion. Okay, interesting. Chalo. Text 12. Yeah, Shisha, you should send the reference also. Looks correct,
Yeah.
but send the actually there in some book.
I'll send.
Chalo. But looks correct. What you're telling looks pakka. But if I tell something, I should see the reference before.
Yeah, it's Yugavatar, Prabhu. Yeah.
It will be in another. Okay, chalo. Text 12. What happened?
ক্রীড়া করে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমাবিষ্ট হয়ে
Now, again, you do. Your voice is cutting, Sushmita.
Prabhuji, is it clear now?
Yeah, now you say.
দাস সখা পিতা মাতা কান্ত গণ লয়ে ব্রজে ক্রীড়া করে কৃষ্ণ প্রেমাবিষ্ট হয়ে
Absorbed,
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhuji,
Yeah.
Huh.
absorbed in such transcendental love, Lord Sri Krishna enjoys in Braja with his devoted servants, friends, parents, and conjugal lovers.
Purport. The descent of Sri Krishna, the absolute personality of Godhead, is very purposeful. In the Bhagavad Gita, it is said that one who knows the truth about Sri Krishna's descent and his various activities at once liberated and doesn't have to fall again to this existence of birth and death after he leaves his present material body. In other words, one who factually understands Krishna makes his life perfect. Imperfect life is realized in material existence in 5 different relationships we share with everyone within the material world. Neutrality, servitorship, friendship, filial love, and amorous love between husband and wife or lover and beloved. These 5 enjoyable relationships within the material world are perverted reflections of relationships with the absolute personality of Godhead in the transcendental nature. That absolute personality, Sri Krishna, descends to revive the 5 eternally existing relationships. Thus, he manifests his transcendental pastimes in Braja so that people may be attracted into that sphere of activities and leave aside their imitation relationships with the mundane. Then, after fully exhibiting all such activities, the Lord disappears.
Okay. So this is about Lord Krishna. What does he do? He shows, in this world, what are the relationships we have are imitation relationship of the real. Therefore, the love of Yashoda and Krishna cannot be imitated. Many times, we have this Krishna Vesha, they dress the child like Krishna. It's just a reflection. Now the child mouth, the water will be falling, and he is Krishna. Isn't it? Sometimes I remember a small child somebody brought, just 6 months old, and they kept on the stage. The child slept. And the parents feel my child is Krishna. Yeah, they can feel, but it's an imitation Krishna, not in the same mood. Krishna was full Sachidananda. Not from mouth water is falling, the dress is falling. No, Krishna is perfect. So in this world we have relationships. Everybody knows these are imitation of the real relationship. The love between Yashoda and Krishna was so intense. To this day we are remembering that. And the love between Krishna and Radharani, that love between Krishna and the Gopas, these are real. What we have in this world is imitation, the shadow. The shadow of the real, how much is the power? Like sun is reflected on the water. How much is the power in the reflection? You can't do anything with that, correct? So therefore, we do not want to cut the relationships, but actually when you see the real relationship, that keeps increasing. Our love for Krishna keeps increasing, keeps increasing, keeps increasing. And the mundane relationship then start looking shallow compared to that, because it becomes very intense. What do you say, Rangini Mataji? That's how you preach, no? Correct?
Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. Correct.
We are not cutting the relationship out of the world. They're natural. Affection to family is natural. But then we put Krishna at the center and look at family members also connected to Krishna. Then a relationship becomes very nice, actually. Isn't it?
Yes, Prabhu.
I don't know how many of you have that experience. When the family becomes Krishna consciousness, the relationship with the family members become very sweet. Otherwise, it's all ego battle all the time. Even so-called love, we say. At the end of the day, there is fight, there is so many ego battles. Everything vanishes when the family becomes Krishna conscious. Ragini Mataji, you are dealing with family. You can tell me more. I am a brahmachari.
Yes, Prabhu, that is
What the
correct. Yes,
difference happens when they put Krishna in the center? What did you see?
Yes, but there's not seva, and then we share seva, like anybody. Like sometimes I change the dresses, he makes prasadam, and when he makes, and I change dresses. It's like that. There's a lot, because it's Krishna around, so the work is shared. We don't feel that one is superior, one is inferior. So we are all servants of Krishna. And if children also are part of that, means it would be really, really wonderful. There are some parents who their children are Krishna conscious. So for them, they also participate in the seva, everyday seva, Mangal Harati, arranging paraphernalia.
Yeah, I remember I went to one house in Bangalore, one old student, he had organized like that. His father, very elderly, he's also doing something, getting flowers in the morning, and his wife does one aarti, somebody blows the conch, whole family had given engagement. And everybody was happy, something they could do. And the center is Krishna. But otherwise in family, when Krishna is not in the center, they're not Krishna conscious. What happened? Naturally in a family, somebody has to be the leader, correct? Now the spotlight is on him, isn't it? And he is a leader of the house and he is an object of satisfaction. Then what is going to happen? There will be suffocation when there are faults in it, correct? Isn't it? You understand? But when Krishna is in the center, then it's all fine. Okay, everybody is doing what he's able to do service, everybody is happy, correct? Otherwise, somebody sits in the center, somewhere house, the wife is the center, somewhere the man is the center, and then there is difficulty. Krishna in the center, he is perfect. So everybody is happy. Anna? You have more practical realization, Mataji. I am just brahmachari, not dealing so much with family.
That's why when we preach families, if both the husband and wife are devotees, then it is easy for us. When their children also easy to preach. When they attend our children classes, devotees children are very much interested and they participate very well compared to like children of karmis. Like we have children from all different grounds, so we see the difference. And when both husband and wife are devotees, it is really wonderful, and we get a lot of cooperation from them, lot of seva they come and do. When one husband is a devotee, wife is not a devotee, or wife is a devotee and husband is not a devotee, we can see the difference in the progress. The whole family's progress.
Preaching is so powerful. I heard 80% of the families, you make both of them devotees, isn't it?
Yes, we have, but we there is so much to be done. We have done very, very little.
Yes. Chalo, continue, Sushmita Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu, my voice is clear.
Yeah. Take care of that. Yeah.
যথেষ্ট বিহারী কৃষ্ণ যথা ইষ্ট বিহারী কৃষ্ণ করে অন্তর্ধান করি মনে করে অনুমান.
Lord Krishna enjoys his transcendental pastimes as long as he wishes, and then he disappears. After disappearing, however, he thinks thus.
he is going very slowly, aram se, narrating how Lord Chaitanya appears. Yes. Yes, Sushmita Mataji, continue.
Yes, Prabhu.
No, voice is
চিরকলা নাহি করি
Chirakala.
Prabhu, is it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
start.
চিরকলা নাহি করি প্রেম ভক্তি দান প্রেম ভক্তি দানে ভক্তি বিনা জগতেরও নাহি অবস্থান।
For a long time, I have not bestowed unalloyed loving service to me upon the inhabitants of the world. Without such loving attachment, the existence of the, I think, yeah,
Yes.
the existence of the material world is useless.
Purport. The Lord seldom awards pure transcendental love, but without such pure love of God, freed from fruitive activities and empiric speculation, one cannot attain perfection in life.
Okay, so let us see. Yes.
Yes.
So I'm not given unalloyed love. Okay, now Krishna is going to explain what is he talking. Yeah, continue, Sushmita.
Prabhu, that page
Akala jagate more kare. Huh.
সকল জগতে মোরে করে বিধি ভক্তি বিধি ভক্তে ব্রজ ভাব পাইতে নাহি শক্তি।
Everywhere in the world, people worship me according to scriptural injunctions, but simply by following such regulative principles, one cannot attain the loving sentiments of the devotees in Braja Bhumi.
Continue.
ঐশ্বর্য জ্ঞানেতে সব জগৎ মিশ্রিত ঐশ্বর্য স্থিতি প্রভুজি this is
Aishwarya Shitila Preme Nahi Mora Priya.
প্রেমে নাহি মোরা প্রীত।
Knowing my opulences, the whole world looks upon me with awe and veneration, but devotion made feeble by such reverence does not attract me.
Purport. After his appearance, Lord Krishna thought that he had distributed the transcendental personal dealings with his devotees in Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, and Madhurya. One may understand the signs of the Supreme Personality of Godhead from the Vedic literature and thus become a devotee of the Lord and worship him within the regulative principles described in the scriptures. But one will not know in this way how Krishna is served by the residents of Brajabhumi. One cannot understand the dealings of the Lord in Vrindavan simply by executing the ritualistic regulative principles mentioned in the scriptures. By following scriptural injunctions, one may enhance his appreciation for the glories of the Lord, but there is no chance for one to enter into personal dealings with him. Giving too much attention to understanding the exalted glories of the Lord reduces the chance of one's entering into personal loving affairs with the Lord. To teach the principles of such loving dealings, the Lord decided to appear as Lord Chaitanya.
Okay, so too much understanding of the going more by rituals, correct? Too much going by rituals and Vedic understanding. Actually, Prabhupada says later it will come. They can go to Vaikuntha maybe, but they cannot go to Goloka. Correct? By scriptural injunction, one may enhance his appreciation of glories, There's no chance we can get into personal dealings with Krishna. Maybe maximum they can reach Vaikuntha. Okay. Okay, this is fine.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Krishna does not get so much attracted by this. Okay. It will be explained now. Let us just continue. Yeah.
ঐশ্বরিয়া জ্ঞানে বিধি ভজন করি বৈকুণ্ঠ থেকে যা যা চতুর্বিধ মুক্তি পান চতুর্বিধ মুক্তি পায়।
Sushmita Mataji, what you can do is that you can download Chaitanya Charitamrita in Bengali. Okay? Not now, later. Otherwise, you can, when you get this.
Yes, Prabhuji, I tried. Yes, I tried, Prabhuji, actually, but it was not available.
Okay, I will search and give you. Okay? It is there. Because in my temple, so many Bengali devotees are there.
Yes,
when I do Bengali class on Chaitanya Charitamrita, I put for them. And they read perfectly if they see Bengali. They read very nice. Here, you have to read in English. All marks will not be exactly get the Bengali thing. But you know how to read Bengali? Sushmita, you know how to read Bengali directly? Oh, she's searching Bengali. Okay, Hare Krishna. Okay, I'll search and search and forward you.
Yes, Prabhu.
I'll search and forward.
उधर छोटू बात कर रहे हैं किसी से।
Chalo, translation continue.
By performing such regulated devotional service in awe and veneration, one may go to Vaikuntha and attain the 4 kinds of liberation.
Sushmita, you open vedabase.com, okay? And in that change the language to Bengali, correct?
Okay.
No, you don't have to change also. Just go to vedabase.com now and you locate Chaitanya Charitamrita, then Adi Leela, then 3-point this thing. By the time we discuss this, you will be there, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
I will share. No, you can locate. Go to Vedabase. You type Vedabase, you will see. Okay, all.
I have that database. I have.
No, not that Vedabase. Okay, I will tell Shridhara to share to you. Vedabase.io. No, Shridhara will share you the link. Okay, after that,
Okay.
take care. Chalo.
Okay.
Okay, we have this and one may go to Vaikuntha at 4. So by performing such regular devotion service, what happens? You get Vaikuntha, but not Goloka. Goloka is you have to something more you have to do. Okay, somebody wanted explanation. Salokya, you get the Vaikuntha planet Narayana form resides. Sashti, same opulences as the Lord. Sarupya, same form, the form arm Narayana. Samipya, personal associate of the Lord and stayed in the direct association. Okay.
Prabhuji, one question. One who gets liberation to Vaikuntha planets, do they get all the 4 together because they are living in the same planet, they have the same form, they have same Aishwarya?
Shisha, deal with this question. Is it, somewhere I read it is one after another, one is higher than the another, all the 4. Okay. Samipya looks to be the highest, where he's just next with the Lord.
Everybody has got 400 form, but this distinction from the Lord, everybody is having 400 form.
Yeah.
But only the difference is with this one, Shivasa and Subha, and only this is the difference.
So the Sarupya, who has Sarupya has everything similar. What is the difference? Because all who go to Vaikuntha should have all the 4. Salokya, Sashti, Sarupya, Samipya. So So Rangini Mataji is asking, her question is,
Yeah,
will we get
everybody.
all the four together, or it is like one is higher than the another?
There is only one Lakshmi is only different, and only one Lakshmi is there. All otherwise, everybody is having 400 form.
No, that's
Unless-
okay. Now there is, it is said that there are four kind of liberation, which is Salokya, Sahasri, Sarupya, and Samipya. You tell me what are the difference? All the four look like when you go to spiritual world, you get all the four. But as far as the reading goes, there are four different kind of liberation. There are 5 kinds of liberation, correct?
Yeah, Prabhu.
So Samipya, Sarupya are different kinds.
Yeah.
Okay, and one is higher than another. As far as I remember, somewhere analysis was there. And if we
Yeah,
have done,
Samipya is more intimacy.
huh?
More, they're
Next
serving the Lord. Their
there.
Samipya is more nearer.
Who? Shobha Mataji wants to say something?
Next sloka analysis is there about that.
Okay, it is coming. Chalo, chalo.
Yes, yes.
No. It's not analysis. They are all the four still looks like they having a form same as the Lord, living in the personal state of the Lord, living on the Vaikuntha planet. What question of Rangini Mataji is there? When I read spiritual word, I get all the four together. Looks like.
Yes, Prabhu, that's right.
But as far as for me, logically, it cannot be same because there are 5 different liberation. Sayujya is different, Salokya is different, Samipya is different. Otherwise, why not say 4? Just say 1. And within 1, there are 4 things. Correct. You say there are 2 kinds of liberation. You go to Vaikuntha or you get Sayujya. Why say 5?
Yes, Sayujya is actually even for demands. Actually, they
That
are
is
having.
okay. वो समझ आ गया सबको समझ उसको छोड़ दो. Point is that these
There are
4.
only 4. That 4
These
actually
4
depend upon the
is one
rasas.
higher than the another.
So, according to the rasa, what they actually aspire for to have that relation with the Lord.
Yeah.
That,
No, what's the difference between Salokya, say Sarupya and Salokya? They both look same. In
more
Vaikuntha,
devotees, more intimate devotees will be nearer. Samipya. Then others who just want to go to Vaikuntha, they will be in Salokya.
No, go to Vaikuntha, you are his devotee,
Yeah,
no doubt.
Sahasri is there. Oh.
No, just to go to Vaikuntha is not allowed. You have to be a pure devotee to go to Vaikuntha. Hey, Lord is intelligent enough to understand just to go to Vaikuntha, I'll kick off. That is not there. Only pure devotees you are, they all love him, correct? But Samipya will be definitely who are very, very advanced and he keeps them in very close to him. Okay. But so this is
Salokya and Sarupya. Like they go to the Loka and they get the Rupa also. 400 Rupa.
Yeah, it looks like both come together, but I'm saying it cannot be say very slight difference. Why don't we keep it as assignment for next time then? Somebody.
Yes, sir.
Depend upon actually it depend upon the rasas what they happen in like different rasas in Goloka. It's also like depend upon the rasas.
Yeah, it's this looks logical. Oh, he's saying Salokya may not be 400 form. Maybe in Vaikuntha also variety is there. There are trees, there are cows. Narayana also has cows. When there are trees are there, birds are there.
Prabhuji,
they get Sarupya.
Are Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 6.26. There are the explanation about this.
Chalo, tell.
Actually, Salokya means that after material liberation, one is promoted to the planet where the Supreme Personality of Godhead resides. Samipya means remaining an associate of the Supreme Personality of God. Sarupya means attaining a 400 form exactly like that of the Lord. Sarasti means attaining of
all the Aishwaryas.
and
Sarasti means all the 6 Aishwaryas.
1 second, Prabhu. So, Sayujya means merging into the Brahman effulgence of the Lord. These are the 5 types of liberation. CC Madhya Leela 6.266. It is there.
Six point
266 it is.
266.
Yes, Prabhuji.
There are 5 kinds of liberation: Salokya, Samipya, Sarupya, Sashti, and Saivijya. Salokya means after material liberation, one is promoted to the planet where the Supreme Personality Godhead resides. Okay, you get to Vaikuntha, but no guarantee what form you got. Correct? That's the point here. Correct? You go to Vaikuntha, you may be bird there, you may be tree, you may be cow, you may be so many things. Okay, Samipya means remaining associated to the Supreme Personality Godhead. You become an associate now. Sarupya means attaining you become an associate. Sarupya means attaining 400 form exactly like the Lord. Because Samipya is very exalted, associated to the Lord. But okay, Sarupya means attaining 400 form exactly like the Lord. Sashti means attaining the opulences like the Supreme Lord. So who is higher than which one? So who will do this research? Shisha, you will do the research?
Okay, bro.
Okay, find out this. For common sense, looks like
Samipya is
associate, but as okay, yeah. But just let us speak authoritatively. Just like Mataji just found out, there may be more references in Prabhupada books. Take na, Shisha? Okay, is it fine? We come back. What did it have? Okay, so we were here. We continue?
Yes, Prabhuji.
In Brahma Sangita, Prabhu, one sloka is there.
Okay.
Yat bhav abhavit dhiyo manuja tathaiva samprapta rupa mahima sanyan bhusa tukkai vyamair nigam prithayastuvanti govindam adipusam tamaham bhajam. That it tells that whoever worships which form of the Lord, they go to that loka of that Lord. If you are worshipping Narsimha Bhagavan and from Veda you take that mantra and worship him, you go to Narsimha Bhagavan's loka. And once you go his loka, then you get his form, you get his vehicle, same vehicle in which he travels, same form. And in his loka means Salok, if you go to his loka, and you get that Aishwarya. And I believe it is logical that if you go to the loka of some Lord, Narsimha Bhagavan or Hari or whosoever, then you enter into his lok and you get the same form. What is his form? And if you get his form and his lokas, naturally all the opulences will come to you.
No,
so in that it is not clear that
no, that's fine. Yeah, the bhava, your point is correct, Prabhuji. The bhava. Yeah. Shisha, you can do research, and I'll say find one student also. They can also work on this.
Yeah.
Okay, you work, and under you some student will put, so they can do the work. Who is time? विकास बहुत बिजी है ऑफिस में सुना सारा ऑफिस 2 मिनट में बॉस कॉल करता है हर 2 मिनट
यस सर अभी आधे घंटे पहले भी कॉल किया था
then who will do the work somebody else will make it. You know when we have South Indian meeting okay Gaurav ठीक है Gaurav is there ठीक है Gaurav just keep researching and then communicate with Shisha Prabhu ठीक है and then come with a clear conclusion. We have 24 hours. Chalo.
Blessed to be under Sesha Prabhu.
So committees, we have in the meeting, we have this wherein we have seen there was a need to understand this, and hence a committee has been formed, and the resolution everybody passes. Yes, everybody says pass. We have a meeting in this way, both Karnataka and South Indian people. Okay, chalo, we continue from this. Okay, but anyway, these 4 are distinct. We have understood they are distinct. We just now wanted to know Are they together, as Rangini Mataji said? Looks like they are different, but then which is higher than the another? Okay, and little understanding of that. Okay.
And one more question, Prabhu, in Golok Vrindavan, that opulence is not there in Golok Vrindavan because
That's what happened when Lord Chaitanya Leela was there. Narada was Shivas, and Narada in the mood of Vaikuntha. He's in the more he's a Narayana Bhakta, no? So he
Yes,
said
Prabhu.
that what opulence in Narayana Vaikuntha, hey, Golokam, what is there? So there is a discussion there. And then they all, the devotees tell him, Chintamani Prakara Sadhumashin Kalpa Vriksha. Chintamani is in Goloka lying on the ground. What you're talking? That is the opulence of Goloka. You know, Chintamani is on the ground. They walk on Chintamani. Yeah. So therefore, they all start laughing. Oh, Narada, enough of your Vaikuntha opulence. So there is a discussion there. Mataji will come as we read Chaitanya Charitamrita.
Yes, Prabhu. Yes, Prabhu.
Goloka is actually definitely the most opulent, but it's not visible in that.
It's kind of yes.
And Aishwarya Bhava is not visible in Goloka, no? That's Vaikuntha Bhava.
Devotees are not interested in that way. Sure.
Devotees are not interested. That's why Radharani pulls Jagannatha to, from Krishna to, the Jagannath Leela is for the same instance. No? She doesn't like to see Krishna with that opulence. No?
Yes, Prabhu.
All the opulence is put on the ground itself. You know? Designs of Chintamani are lying on the ground. So there is a discussion there. And after explaining that actually Goloka is opulent, then they laugh they make fun of Shivas. You are not. Chalo, the devotee never cares for Sayuja liberation. Everybody understands. Yeah, continue, Sushmita Mataji.
প্রভুজি যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তাইমু নাম সংকীর্তন চারি ভাব ভক্তি দিয়া নাচামু ভুবন.
These liberations are Srashti, achieving opulences equal to those of Lord, Sarupya, having a form the same as the Lord's.
Oh, sorry, where I am?
We missed one.
The read different sloka, Mataji did different translation.
19 should be read.
19 should be read.
You got that Bengali now?
Yes, Prabhu, I read the 19 only.
From Bengali now?
I think I have read it wrongly, Prabhuji.
Yeah, 18.
The page. Kindly give the page.
18 not 10.
18 is
translation.
I was
18
doing
translation
18
and purport.
translation.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was doing it only.
So Mataji has to read Sushmita.
So we are in the 19
Yes.
now, na? Fine?
Yes,
No,
Prabhuji.
18 Prabhuji.
Okay, chalo.
We have to read 18.
Prabhuji, I should read 18?
Yeah, read again.
Yeah, 13.
18. Okay, Prabhu, sure. I'll read. Just 1 second. ত্রাষ্টি স্বরূপ আর স্বামী পোষালক্য সাযোজ্জনালয়ে ভক্ত যাতে ব্রহ্মৈক্য.
These liberations are Srashti, achieving opulences equal to those of Lord, Sarupya, having a form the same as Lord's, Samipya, living as the personal associate of the Lord, and Salokya, living on a Vaikuntha planet. Devotees never accept Sayujya, however, since this is a oneness with Brahman.
Purport. Those engaged in devotional service according to ritualistic principles mentioned in the scriptures attain these different kinds of liberation. But although such devotees can attain Sarsti, Sarupya, Samipya, and Salokya, they are not concerned with these liberations, for such devotees are satisfied only in rendering transcendental loving service to the Lord. The fifth kind of liberation, Sayujya, is never accepted even by devotees who perform only ritualistic worship. To attain Sayujya, or merging into the Brahman effulgence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is the aspiration of the impersonalists. A devotee never cares for Sayujya liberation.
Okay, is it fine, everybody?
Yeah.
Devotee does not care for Sayuja, and these are the 4 liberations. Okay, we continue. Yes, Mataji, 19.
Yes, Prabhuji. যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তাই মো নাম সংকীর্তন, চারি ভাব ভক্তি দিয়া নাচামু ভুবন।
Yeah. I shall personally inaugurate the religion of age Nam Sankirtan, a congregational chanting of the holy name. I shall make the world dance in its ecstasy, realizing the four mellows of loving devotional service.
Yes. So I will start the Nam. This is an external reason for Lord Chaitanya to come. So the external reason he came to distribute the Nama Sankirtana, but internal reason is different. Because I shall make the world dance in ecstasy. Okay, so that's what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted. And realizing the four mellows of loving devotion service. Yes. 20.
আপনি করিম ভক্ত ভাব অঙ্গীকারে, আপনি আচরি ভক্তি শিখাইমু সবারে।
I shall accept the role of a devotee, and I shall teach devotional service by practicing it myself.
Purport. When one associates with a pure devotee, he becomes so elevated that he doesn't aspire even for Sarsti, Sarupya, Samip, or Salokya, because he feels that such liberation is a kind of sense gratification. Pure devotees do not ask anything from the Lord for their personal benefit. Even if offered personal benefits, pure devotees do not accept them because their only desire is to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead by transcendental loving service. No one but the Lord Himself can teach this highest form of devotional service. Therefore, when the Lord took the place of the incarnation of Kali Yuga to spread the glories of chanting Hare Krishna, the system of worship recommended in this age, he also distributed the process of devotional service performed on the platform of transcendental spontaneous love. To teach the highest principles of spiritual life, the Lord Himself appeared as a devotee in the form of Lord Chaitanya.
Okay. So to desire anything, devotee desire, good devotee will not desire anything. Try to offer also, he said, no, I don't want anything. He just wants to see the Lord happy, correct? In that mood, anything Krishna is offering, he doesn't want. He just wants Krishna to be satisfied. Their only desire is to satisfy the Supreme Personality of God. Or you tell him you will get a sashti, same opulence of the Lord. He's not asking that. So that means how a beautiful consciousness is achieved by just chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Rama Rama, Hare. In Bhagavad Gita also Prabhupada says devotee just wants to please Krishna, that's all. And this beautiful consciousness can be achieved by chanting the Mahamantra. Okay, so Lord comes as Lord Chaitanya. Just imagine how much we are self-centered and selfish. But Krishna consciousness is so beautiful. It brings us to the platform that we are not even eager. Even Lord Kapila says this, my devotees do not accept, even if I offer, they don't want these opulences. Correct? That's supported even in the Shastra. Devotee becomes so exhausted, doesn't want anything from the Lord, just wants to make the Lord happy. So such a beautiful consciousness can be achieved. Okay, it's fine? Any questions on this?
Yes, we have the example of a fruit seller woman in
Yes.
Rajalina. Fruit seller woman, when she this I heard from one devotee, when she reached home and she saw all the things in her basket full of jewels and all, she was actually disappointed. So she started saying, Krishna, you have cheated me. I thought you have accepted my fruit, but in return you have given me this. I don't need this.
They don't want, devotee don't want. Krishna gives, but they don't want. Correct? They just
Sudhama
want
also, yeah.
Krishna is happy. Yeah. They're not asking, correct? Like Sudama also example, did not ask Krishna for anything. He was so happy that Krishna met him, correct? And
Yes, Prabhu.
so happy. That's the quality of a devotee. And if Krishna does not give, like Krishna, apparently Sudama did not get anything from Krishna because they just talked about their love and he gave, correct? And Krishna made a big, and he was thinking on the way before seeing the palace, he was thinking maybe Krishna thought if I get opulence, I'll forget him. Anna? So
Yes.
like that. He was not expecting. When he saw, okay, Krishna has given, he accepted. When it came, he accepted, but he didn't ask for it. And even though he was so advanced actually in that opulence also, he was never to forget Krishna. It was immaterial for him. Opulence is there or not there. He was Chalo, continue.
আপনে না কইলে ধর্ম শিখানো না যায়, এই তো সিদ্ধান্ত গীতা ভাগবতে কায়।
Unless one practices devotional service himself, he cannot teach it to others. This conclusion is indeed confirmed throughout the Gita and
Bhagavad. Bhagavad.
Page. And the Bhagavatam.
Okay. So unless we practice this, we cannot teach. That is called apani achari. That will come. There are some examples are given to illustrate that. Unless you practice, you cannot teach. Janma sarthakari karo parokar. So you can only benefit others when you are practicing it. Okay. There are some examples given. Yeah. Continue.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानं धर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्।
Whenever and wherever there's a decline in religious practice, O descendant of Bharat, and a predominant rise of irreligion, at that time I descend myself.
Continue, Mataji. Sushmita, you want to
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशानाय च दुष्कृतं धर्मस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
To deliver the pious and to annihilate the miscreants, as well as to re-establish the principles of religion, I myself appear millennium after millennium.
Purport. Texts 22 and 23 were spoken by Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita 4.7 and 8. Texts 24 and 25 which follow are also from the Bhagavad Gita 3.2, 24 and 21.
Shall I continue?
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Utsi Deyuri me lok Prabhu. I can't pronounce this so nicely. This Sanskrit, Prabhu. Shobha Mataji can do this.
Yeah, Shobha Mataji, Sanskrit. Okay.
उत्सेदेयुर इमे लोका न कुर्यां कर्म चेदहं शङ्करस्य च कर्तस्याम् उपाहन्याम् इमा प्रजा.
If I did not show the proper principles of religion, all these worlds would fall into ruin. I would be the cause of unwanted population and would spoil all these living beings.
एवैतरो जना सयत् प्रमाणं कृते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते.
Whatever actions a great man performs, common man follows, and whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world follows.
Okay, you understood these verses have come in the sequence basically to bring the point that Lord Chaitanya is feeling he has to give an example of a devotee to teach. Correct? He is making a decision as if, Krishna's whole thought flow is going into, I came and taught them Bhagavad Gita, they're not listening to me. Okay, again I'll come and I'll give an example how to become a devotee. I told them become a devotee, Sarvadharmana, but they did not know how to. And I'll show them an example. Correct? That's the thought flow of Krishna. As if Krishna's Kaviraj Goswami, being an acharya, is going into Krishna's mind. And okay, so okay, continue.
যুগ ধর্ম প্রবর্তন হয় অংশ হইতে আমা বিনা অন্যে নারে ব্রজ প্রেম দিতে।
My plenary portions can establish the principles of religion for each age. No one but me, however, can bestow the kind of loving service performed by the residents of Braja.
Okay, so because only in Braja, only Krishna and Balaram are there, correct? Other incarnations are not. They don't have that relation with the devotees. So I'll come and show. bestow the loving service performed by the residents of Braja. Okay. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants to come now. Yeah.
शान्तो अवतार भाव पङ्कजानाभस्य सर्वतो भद्रः कृष्णात् अन्यको वा लतास्व अपि प्रेमादो भवति.
There may be many all auspicious incarnations of the personality of Godhead, but who other than Lord Sri Krishna can bestow love of God upon the surrendered souls?
Yes, Surnath Prabhu. This quotation.
Page has to be checked.
It changed. It is coming. It has not reached America.
This quotation from Bilumangal Thakur is 5.37.
Yeah, Laghu Bhagavata Amrita. Yes. Continue. Sushmita.
Yes, Prabhu. Oh, okay. It was muted. Sorry,
28.
Prabhu. তাহাতে আপন ভক্ত গণ করি সঙ্গে পৃথিবীতে অবতরী করিব নানা রঙ্গে.
Therefore, in the company of my devotees, I shall appear on the earth and perform various colorful pastimes.
Okay. Continue.
Yes, Prabhu. এত ভাবি কলিকালে প্রথম সন্ধ্যায় অবতীর্ণ হইলা কৃষ্ণ আপনি নদিয়ায়.
Thinking thus, the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna himself, descended at Nadia early in the age of Kali.
Purport. The Pratham Sandhya is the beginning of the age. According to astronomical calculation, the age is divided into 12 parts. The first of these 12 divisions is known as the Pratham Sandhya. The Pratham Sandhya and Shesh Sandhya, the last division of the preceding age, form the junction of the two ages. According to the Surya Siddhanta, the Pratham Sandhya of Kali Yuga lasts 36,000 solar years. Lord Chaitanya appeared in the Pratham Sandhya after 4,586 solar years of Kali Yuga had passed.
Okay. So this is 36,000 years is one Pratham Sandhya last. Okay. And Lord Chaitanya appeared after 4,005. He's within the Pratham Sandhya. 36,000 into 12 is the 4,32,000 years. Correct? That's the duration of Kali Yuga. So this is the first part. Lord Chaitanya comes in that. Okay. Is this fine?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Chalo. So it is said Pratham Sandhya because many of the shlokas, the appearance of Lord Chaitanya, it is said Kalau Sankirtan Arambe Bhuveshwar. Many shlokas it has Prathama Sandhya. When we saw the list of the shlokas last time, it was Prathama Sandhya, Prathama Sandhya, Prathama Sandhya. So it has been calculated and shown. Okay. Continue.
Okay. চৈতন্য সিংহের নবদ্বীপে অবতার সিংহ রিব সিংহ বিচ সিংহের হুঙ্কার.
Thus, the lion like Lord Chaitanya had appeared in Navdvipa. He has the shoulders of lion, the powers of lion and the loud voice of the lion.
He used to chant loudly, Hare, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Yes. Previously, there is no mic. Chalo, continue.
সেই সিংহ বসুক জীবের হৃদয় কন্দরে কলমশ তিরোদনাশে যাহার হুঙ্কারে.
May that lion be seated in the core of the heart of every living being. Thus, with his resounding roar, may he drive away one's elephantine vices.
Such a beautiful benediction again. Correct?
Yes.
This is a benediction by Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. So all of you accepted. He is blessing you. Lord Chaitanya will sit in the heart and a lion like roar. He drives all our vices. Yes. So Shweta Mataji, any comments here? We continue?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah.
প্রথম লীলায় তার নাম তারও বিশ্বম্ভর নাম ভক্তি রসে ভরিল ধরিল ভূতগ্রাম
In his early pastimes, he is known as Vishambhar because he floods the world with the nectar of devotion and thus saves the living beings.
Yeah, the meaning is there in the next verse. Yeah. Continue, Sushmita Mataji. Yes, Sushmita Mataji, you're thinking it is Sanskrit? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhu.
Chalo, Dubrina Datar.
ডুবৃঙ্গ ধাতুর অর্থ পোষণ ধারণ কুশীল ধরিল প্রেম দিয়া ত্রিভুবন
The verbal root dubhrina, which is the root of the word Vishambhara, indicates nourishing and maintaining. He, Lord Chaitanya, nourishes and maintains the three worlds by distributing love of God.
Can't you feel this? Actually, this is in the Gayatri which we chant for Lord Chaitanya. We refer to him as Vishwambara. So in the meditation, Lord Chaitanya as Vishwambara, the maintainer. Okay. Now, isn't it true? Because the bhakti is the maintainer. Now we die without that, isn't it? There is some bhakti in the heart which keeps us going, and that is come by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya. Isn't it, Shisha? Correct? Anna? Vishambara,
Yeah.
because the Lord Chaitanya is giving us bhakti. Anna?
Yeah.
And therefore, he nourishes and maintains the three worlds by love of God. Anna? But at least as devotees, we can see we cannot survive without, suppose, unfortunately, if that happens, this little taste of devotion service goes away. It will be like we have finished then. We can't live also. Anna? He's sustaining and nourishing and maintaining all the devotees to whatever degree they are sincere. But some level of bhakti is there. We are no longer the same people. Anna? Everybody has left everything. Now we are so busy, engaged, late night reading Chaitanya Charitamrita. Isn't it? Surnath Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhu.
Isn't he our nourisher? Anna? He is our nourishing us. And we can live. We are now helplessly dependent. Now we cannot go back. If suppose this is taken away, we will better commit suicide. We can't live now without this, isn't it? Nourishes and maintain the three by distributing love of God. And once a devotee smell it and taste it, then everything we drop. And Lord Chaitanya is a sustainer and maintainer, nourishes and maintains three words by distributing love of God. Vishwambara. Any realization on this? Rangini Mataji, don't you feel so?
Yes, Prabhuji, it's very nice.
There is no going back now. And you are helplessly dependent on, just like we have been addicted, like a drug addict. Now, after that, you cannot live without it. You know, if they die, you know what is happening in India. All the liquor shops are closed. And because the liquor shops are closed, so many drunkards are committing suicide. They say, we can't live. So, Lord Chaitanya has also made us drunkard now. Now we can't live without it. So, we have to nourish it. And God is very merciful. It doesn't take it away. He is very merciful. So, nourish and made the three word distributing love of God. Okay. Is it fine? We continue? Yes.
শেষ লীলায় ধরে নাম শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য শ্রীকৃষ্ণ জানায় সব বিশ্ব কইল ধন্য
In his later pastimes, he is known as Lord Sri Krishna Chaitanya. He blesses the whole world by teaching about the name and the fame of Lord Sri Krishna.
Just wait, Oba. we go through this?
Prabhuji, it's already time.
Time?
We will not be able to cover it.
Yes. Okay. Okay. 10:30. We have chalo. So we still have 2 minutes. Anybody has a question or some realization, something very sweet you want to add? Because, or Pramod, Dr. Pramod. Hare Krishna. Doctor, would you like to say something? Gayatri Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah, you want to
Yes, Prabhuji, what you said is absolutely right. When you go to transcendental stage of attaining a spiritual knowledge and everything, after a certain age, whatever somebody gives, we don't accept it. Where do you keep them? Where do you keep them? Up to 60, 70 years. So we don't need anything at all after that. Even whoever gives it, will hand over to somebody else. We're not in a position to capture that, not in a position to keep them right in directions. So one who attains the spiritual knowledge, we don't need anything.
Yes, he doesn't need anything. You cannot flatter him. Therefore, suppose Srila Prabhupada, you can't flatter him. You have to do something. There's a great acharyas. You have to actually do something to please them. Just like Srila Prabhupada, they're so happy when you do some preaching. Because suppose you want to please Prabhupada, you cannot just flatter him with some good food or good dress. No. You have to do something which will very, very please. Anna?
Yes.
Because they're very grave, very deep personalities. Okay.
It's true.
Now you have soft words or something or not. You have to do something. Okay. Okay. Any other thing? Anything? Gayatri Mataji, you wanted to say something?
No, Prabhu.
Nandana Prabhu, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Wanted to add something, Prabhuji?
Nothing, Prabhu. Thank you.
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is also as a supreme protector, protects us from falling down, reaching us higher. Yes, a sustainer, a nourisher. As a supreme protector also, Prabhuji.
Yes, definitely. Protects us, yes. And he protected Chota Haridas Thakuri, and he protected that Kalakrishna Dasarada. He brought him by the hairs back, and there it is said, what is the master who can leave his servant? Where is the servant who can leave his master? So he had actually run away, but Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by the hairs brought him back. It's a very nice proper rights purport there. The Lord will not leave his servant, correct? He is a protector.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Yes, Shusha Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he fulfills all the desires of everyone. I mean, not only spiritual, even if there are any material desires also, he fulfills them.
Okay. He's very merciful, yes.
Yes, very merciful.
Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah.
One story I heard in some lecture, some Maharaj was explaining about this liberation, not liberation. One Gopawala, he elevated Vaikuntha planet. So he was suffocation there and he was searching for Krishna. Where is my Krishna? Here Krishna is not there. So he was, I don't want Vaikuntha, I want to go back to Goloka. Like that, he was crying and finally he went back to Goloka like that.
Yes, Sanatana Goswami.
Narayana called up Krishna. Your Bhakta has come here.
Brihad Bhagavatam, Gopakumara.
Okay, Shisha tells the story. What is the name of the person?
Gopakumara. He actually is a character of that Sanatana Goswami, that right, that Brihad Bhagavatamrita.
Brihad Bhagavatamrita.
Yeah, that actually in that the Gopakumara is going to each and every planet, from a heavenly planet to all the planets, higher and higher and higher and higher. He is not satisfied anywhere. Actually, he wanted that Vrijendranandana Krishna, that to go like you has to play with him like that same covered boy in Goloka Vrindavan.
Then he reaches Vaikuntha.
Yeah. At that time, he embraces, the Krishna embraces him. How many millions of years that he embraces him, and immediately both of them falls down in ecstasy. And the Krishna is so happy to receive him. Like that, all the Krishna is aspiring all of us to come there to Goloka Vaikuntha, and he is ready to embrace us there. Yeah.
So that is there. So he goes to Vaikuntha and there he is not satisfied, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, interesting. Very nice. So this is
Even when
authorized,
he-
Mataji. Show Mataji is authorized. Okay?
Yeah, this is
And,
a Brihat
there is one thing
Bhagavatamrita.
Prabhupada says is that very nice thing. Prabhupada says that when you reach, this is from Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that when you reach Vaikuntha, when you finally reach back to Godhead, Krishna personally comes and embraces you, and you faint.
Another point is that Prema Pumartama Mahan, the devotees want to serve everywhere, but whatever that they are getting, that is only like when you are buying something one, you are getting one free, like that we are attaining that back to God at some time we are going to some planet. That is like this one free. Some if you are buying a fridge, you are getting something free like that, trays or anything free like that. But the devotee's mood is to go and serve there also in the Goloka Vrindavan.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Shisha. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
The time.
Prabhuji.
Take care.
Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
Thank
Prabhuji.
you.
Hare Krishna.
It was so nice.
Krishna so
It's all Krishna's arrangement. We have such a nice team together to read Chaitanya Charitamrita. Isn't it, Somnath Prabhu? Correct?
Yeah, bro.
Krishna's arrangement, this all. And the 3 weeks now it is expanded in India. The
3rd of May.
some devotees are praying for it to be expanded, but I don't know. I think Krishna takes care.
I think this mobile network, like even different lokas, still we are able to manage it.
Lokas.
We are able to communicate in different places, even sitting. That is the mercy of Lord Krishna.
Yes. My Prabhu says it is Zoom Prabhu. Zoom is a Prabhu. Corona is Mataji.
The Zoom is a good word actually. How did they make it a zooming? Zooming means go on increasing, then you get to understand it. Yes.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Panchakalpatarubhasya kripa sakripeva patinana pavanebhyo Vaishnavibhyo namo namah. Anantakoti Vaishnavindra ki. Prabhupada ki. Das Kaviraj Goswami ki. Charitamrita ki.